How to increase testosterone naturally. Did you know that studies show testosterone levels have been declining in men over the past few years? If you are feeling tired, lacking energy, or struggling to complete your tasks, then it might be a result of having low testosterone, which can affect everything from energy levels to mood and muscle mass to libido. But fear not, because we've got the solution to help you boost your testosterone. Hello, dominant man. Welcome to our very new video. Subscribe to our channel because real men do. Now, why should you listen to me? Well, I've researched a lot, and then I'm here with this video, implementing natural methods to boost testosterone levels. So, if you want to increase yours, then you should listen to me till the very end. Now let's get real. Did you know that studies show testosterone levels have been declining in men over the past few years? It's a silent epidemic, but there's hope. We will share 5 steps that will boost your testosterone, so stick around until the end because I'll be sharing a secret step, which can be any of those 5 steps that will keep those levels soaring. First off, let's address the elephant in the room: lifestyle factors. We'll cover everything from diet to exercise to stress management to sleep quality. But don't just take my word for it. I will share a real story at the end about a dominant man who transformed his life by implementing these changes. Step 1. Optimize nutrient intake. If you are a man who eats anything without thinking about its quality and impact, then you are doing something wrong with yourself. If you want to increase your testosterone easily, make sure to eat healthy food that is enriched in zinc, vitamin D, and omega-3, such as fatty fish, eggs, bananas, avocados, and pomegranate juice. Leafy vegetables such as spinach, broccoli, etc. But it's not just about what you put in your body, it's also about what you avoid. Say goodbye to sugar and processed junk food, which is made from a lot of oil. I am not telling you to completely avoid such foods for the rest of your life, but do not eat such foods on a daily basis. If you eat such oily and processed foods daily, it is going to make you lazy. They are not power foods, and they will have a bad impact on not only your T levels, but also on your health. Hence, that is the reason why athletes have more T levels compared to normal sedentary men. This is purely because of what they eat and the things they do daily. Step 2. Be the winner mindset. If you are wondering about hearing winner, then it's usual because most men do not have goals and they just put in effort without direction, which gives them nothing but failure. That's also a reason for having low testosterone. Hitting the gym, going for a walk, dancing, or playing any kind of sport boosts testosterone, and it is a form of winning and is way better than rather sitting and doing nothing. If you want to get in the best shape of your life, do it now. Hire a coach and ask him to help you achieve your dream physique. Enroll for a modeling show or a photo shoot and see how your focus and testosterone boosts. As per research, if you win, your testosterone boosts drastically, but if you lose, the opposite happens. Hence, having goals and hitting those goals will help you feel more focused and content, which will make you happy, and your T levels will boost. We are living in an era of comfort where men don't want to go out of it. Being in your comfort zone stops you from finding the real you, and you don't do real hard work. As it is rightly said, only pressure creates diamonds, and muscles are only built under tension. Your goal is not to defeat someone, but yourself. Your goal is to defeat the old you. Be a dominant man who has the hunger to be the winner. Get up, go outside, do some real hard work. Do anything that makes you uncomfortable, and be ready to win. Step 3. Prioritize quality sleep. If you feel tired or sleepy even after having slept for 7 to 8 hours, then it does mean you are not getting quality sleep, which is a killer not only of your T levels, but also of your life. Not getting quality sleep can ruin your entire day, leaving you feeling drained of energy and mentally sluggish, which can lead to mistakes and lower self-esteem, don't you think? Did you realize how interconnected these aspects are? Neglecting one can adversely affect the others as well. If you have difficulty sleeping, then sort it out beforehand. It may be because of screen time or because of a messy sleep schedule. Well, screen time is an issue that has become the norm. The rays coming from screens leave you feeling like a day biologically, which prevents melatonin production, which leads to sleep disruption. Avoid screen time before sleeping. It is recommended to set aside your phone 1 hour before you go to sleep. Maintain a consistent bedtime routine to ensure the quality of sleep you get. Having a messy schedule also disrupts your sleep because there is no routine to your bedtime. You go to bed when you feel sleepy and wake up as your will allows. Those are not the characteristics of a dominant man. If you want to have higher T levels, make a proper bedtime. Otherwise, you already heard that one thing affects another, and this cycle will make your life hell. So show some dominance and win your quality sleep. Step 4. Manage stress effectively. If you're a man who always has stress on their head, then it's not good for your T levels, because studies have shown chronic stress reduces your testosterone. Well, this issue is not something that can be sorted out just by taking medicine, because it is not a permanent solution. How you approach an issue matters more. Sometimes men start taking stress pills, whose effects last 4-6 hours. And stress pills also have side effects that can lead to serious consequences, ranging from small to large. Don't worry, we have a solution, so listen carefully. I have a question for you first. What will happen if you stress over any problem or issue? Will the problem be solved? Nope, right? So why worry about it? Instead, go sit in a park with nature, just close your eyes, and now think calmly about the solution. Don't be negative. Every problem has a solution, so be positive, and you will get a solution. Well, you must practice stress reduction techniques such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, and regular physical activity to lower cortisol levels and promote testosterone. Step 5. Maintain healthy lifestyle. We have discussed 4 steps, but do you think just doing them one time will solve everything? No, right? You have to maintain them and make them your lifestyle and see how things change. Have healthy food regularly, avoid all the toxic processed foods, replace your comfort with discomfort, and start participating instead of fearing off. Be the winner. Take quality sleep. Avoid distractions that disrupt your sleep. Meditate in the morning, practice breathing exercises, and engage in regular physical activity. If you maintain them all, your T levels will soar, for sure. Now it's time to reveal the real example. David Goggins, the world's toughest man. He's an American former Navy SEAL who's achieved a lot. He's known for his ultra running, cycling, triathlons, and speaking engagements. He's written 2 memoirs and even made it to the International Sports Hall of Fame for his sports achievements. David focused on eating right, having a positive attitude, getting enough sleep, handling stress well, and living healthily. By sticking to these steps with determination, his testosterone levels shot up, giving him more energy and motivation for his work. Just like people have low testosterone levels, they also suffer from low confidence. Hence, I highly recommend you watch this video, 9 Ways to be Extremely Confident in Life. And don't forget to leave a comment sharing your testosterone boosting journey that is beneficial for others, as we are a community. Like and share this video with a friend who is depressed and worried in life. Let this video be his lifesaver. We put great efforts into making such kinds of videos, and your one like motivates us to continue our work full of energy. Well, if you feel this video is worth it, hit the like right now and be ready to take control of your masculinity. Until next time, stay strong, stay alpha, and remember, the power to level up your testosterone levels naturally lies within you.